What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for clicking the play button. Thank you for joining me in today's video. As you can see in the title and thumbnail, yep, that's right, new sponsor alert. Let's go ahead and get the box. I just got it yesterday. It's absolutely the hood emblem patch for the Hoodliner of the C5 Corvette 97 to 04. Alright you guys, well let's go ahead till unboxing this thing. And this is probably one of the best mods you can do for your Corvette. I'm gonna go ahead and ask the gentleman if he's got for like different models of Corvettes, and I will let you guys know by the end of the video. So this is gonna be like kind of two-part video. I'm gonna just unbox it right now and show you guys. And it's really hot here in Phoenix, Arizona. It's like 105 right now, 110. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait till like the afternoon / evening to maybe kind of install it. So what you get in the packages, hood pad clips, that's what they call them. We're gonna set that aside. This is the gentleman's card, so we'll give that just a second. And put that aside, and we've got the final thing, which is the hood emblem patch, and this looks absolutely beautiful right here. And guess what? I always thought this thing was metal, but it's not. It sticks. So if I peel here from the corner, which give me a second, it's got just like the glue feel, pretty much. So it sticks on the back of the Hoodliner. So and that's all you get in the box pretty much. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I mean, this is awesome right here. And I chose the standard color. You've got hit him up, my sponsor. Shout out to Raymond, and he's on, if I can get the card, there you go. So this is his card, Raymond Fullwood, the owner of this place. Go ahead, take a screenshot, pause the video. Oh, this is all the different things that he does and the parts, so you can get them in these different colors. Obviously mine is in the middle one on the top. So it's 97 to 04 Corvette parts, manufacturer and supplier. Shout out to him. That's their number on the side, that's their Gmail. And also they're gonna be down in the description below. So thank you, sir, for all of these. That will be really cool. We got the patch right here, and I think I'm gonna take, yep, I'm gonna take the Hoodliner off. So this sits right here, and this already looks so sick, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna take the Hoodliner off. That's why he includes brand new caps right here. So I'm gonna move these. I'm gonna clean underneath, and when it's on the ground, I'm gonna actually clean and vacuum that too. It's already clean, but I'm gonna clean it again, and we're gonna stick it. So I'm gonna remove that just because it will be way easier to install. Alright you guys, so I don't have the ply bar that takes them off like this, so I took these off, and I'm gonna show you guys the way how to do it. And I don't know, it worked for me. I'm pretty sure you guys have a ply bar, I just don't. So I'm gonna take this one, bend it, take that one, because we're not gonna put these ones on. I just got a brand new ones. So when it's like this, right, when it's like that, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull, turn it sometimes, like turn it sideways, and pull straight up, and bam, it pulls off completely fine. Let me go ahead and put you close. See, it doesn't leave anything in there. Bam, it will exit out. And no, it's not even broken. Like, they are soft, so you don't have to worry about dropping anything under the hood. So let me show you again on how. Let's go on this other side, show you one more example in case if you do not have a ply bar like me. I mean, I can have another tool and pull them off, but I think this way is way safer. If the camera can focus right here, there you go. So you're gonna go ahead and just bend it and bend it, right? So you're gonna have a little bend, then just pretty much pull straight forward or straight towards you. Bam. I think it's even easier method than the fly bar, to be honest. See, it doesn't leave anything in there, and everything is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, all of these. I think there are 15 of them, and we'll take the Hoodliner off. So This is rather painful. It wasn't really that bad. It took me like probably 5 seconds, maybe less, per clip to pull out. And this is just gonna drop. So when it drops, obviously, let's pick it up and pick it up like that. And we're gonna go ahead and clean all of this Hoodliner. But first, I mean, this is really clean under here. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all of this area, clean it up, so when we put the Hoodliner on, is really clean. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some of my waterless wash from Adam Polishes and a clean microfiber towel right here, and go ahead and all right, you guys. So again, we're gonna spray this half of the under the hood, and I know I was not gentle, so it's gonna get a little bit of the car, but we're washing it anyways. But I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. Look at all the numbers. It's really cool from the factory. So you're just gonna get microfiber towel damped with water, and you're gonna squeeze it and just go ahead and pretty much wipe. See the difference? Wipe, wipe, wipe the whole thing. And wipe, what is it gonna sit? Alright, so now I'm gonna vacuum it. Alright, you guys, so now I'm done with it. It's a little, not really wet. This is completely dry, but this is kind of wet, so I'm just gonna let it, see, you can see where it's wet, because I extra cleaned that area. I'm just gonna let it sit till tomorrow. Why not? I'm not in a hurry to put it on tonight and just install it tonight. We'll let it sit, dry completely till tomorrow, and around this time tomorrow, I'm pick up the camera. All right, you guys, so me and my dad gonna help me to pretty much, and it says on the paper, don't peel off the backing right here until we see where we're gonna put this. So let me see here. Oops, I think that's the best way right here. So this is gonna sit like this. Where's the corners? It's gonna sit like that. Like this. Alright, you guys, we're gonna peel it off and go on the other side. If you wanna go on the yes, alright, you guys, now you're just gonna go ahead and press, and it says a little bit of heat. So we're gonna get an air dryer. You're just gonna go ahead and press as hard as you can. So what we're doing is hair dryer, and we're just gonna go ahead and press on every edge. You're gonna press on the edges, so you get a perfect. You see how it looks? It already looks perfect. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do that, and I will see you guys when we mount it on the car on the clip. Well, alright, you guys, so I've got it laid down back here, and you guys can see me really well. There it is, the hood emblem patch, and I got this blanket. So when I cleaned all of this, well, you know what, this is all the clean now, and this is clean, so it's ready to go on. But we need these right here. Brand new clips. I will not be needing the old ones. These are brand new. Alright, you guys, so I put one on the other side, then I'm going to put one on this side. So you're just going to go ahead and put the Hoodliner hole, line it up with the hole in the hood, and you're going to get your new clip, and you're just going to center it and push. There you go. And you just needed two. I just needed two. Put one on the other side, put one on this side, then it's just going to hold itself, and you're just going to continue. Gonna take the third one, and I'm gonna put it up there, line up the holes, and push firmly. Bam. Really easy to install. I did not think it's gonna be this easy. But thank you to Raymond Fullwood for obviously hooking me up with this. So let me go ahead and finish. You guys don't want to see me doing that. That's the clip right here. So there you go. Line them up and push. So let me go ahead and finish that, and I will show you guys the final product. Oh my goodness, doesn't this look absolutely sick under the hood? Look at that, it makes such a huge difference, it's ridiculous. Like, this is a must for every C5 Corvette. The link for the website where you get this from is down in the description below. Check it out. Follow me on Instagram right here. Check it out. And I put this blanket for protection because I did not want a clip to fall or just spray to fall under my hood, because it is very clean under here. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my sponsor, Raymond Fullwood. He sent me this. Thank you very much, sir. I'm gonna give his card. If you're around at the car show, I got his few card of his I'm gonna give out. So please subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, it helps me out. Comment below what you think. You just cannot go wrong with stuff like this. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for all the support, and thanks for watching. Peace.